guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going on a road trip, and this road trip will be throughout Europe, and our final destination, hopefully our final destination, will be Bulgaria. Now this is part one of a few parts of this road trip series. This part will be leaving the UK, going on to a boat to get us overseas, and then going into France. By the time we get into France, it will be like morning, like dark morning, so this might take a bit of filming. Let's get on to the video. That's what we're getting on. So you might be thinking, Ivan, you've already got on the boat, what are you going to do now? Well, we wait an hour and 30 minutes to get to France. Once we get to France, we try and find a place to stay for the night.